Welcome back to our channel. If you've been struggling to find a reliable 30-day UDP server for your VPN, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the process of obtaining a 30-day UDP server for UDP Custom and UDP Request to ensure fast and secure browsing. If you're interested in more VPN tutorials, make sure to follow my blog on our channel for detailed guides. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Step 1. Let's get started. First, open your browser. Chrome or any other browser you prefer will work. In the address bar, type in UDP Custom Website and press Enter. Step 2. Once you reach the homepage of the UDP Custom website, look towards the top right corner. You'll see a hamburger icon, which looks like 3 horizontal lines. Click on this icon to expand the menu options. Step 3. From the list of expanded menus, find and click on the option labeled PREMIUM UDP Server. This will open up additional submenus. Step 4. Now, you will see 2 submenus, UDP Request Servers and UDP Custom Servers. Each of these has further sub-options for a 30-day server. Step 5. Choose either 30 days UDP Request or 30 days UDP Custom Server. For this tutorial, I'll select 30 days UDP Custom Server. Step 6. Next, you'll be directed to a page with an account creation form. Here, you need to enter a username and password. After filling in these details, click on the Create Account button. Step 7. In just a few seconds, your 30-day UDP server will be created. You'll see the server details displayed on the screen. Make sure to copy these details and save them in a notepad or a secure place for future use. Step 8. If you're new to using UDP Custom and UDP Request servers with HTTP Custom VPN or SOCKSIP Tunnel VPN, check out the tutorial videos linked below. These will guide you through the setup process step by step. Conclusion, and that's it. You now have a 30-day UDP server for your VPN. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.